Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, I have another video for you guys. Hopefully you guys are not sick of me yet. Let's get started. Today, as you can see, I am doing a strawberry and cream cake. I've been wanting to do this cake since it's spring, summer's coming up, so it's the perfect occasion right now. I'm just starting off with my vanilla cake. I portioned my cake pans a little bit smaller so that my cake layers were thinner. I do want to let you know that I did put on some simple syrup onto each of my cake layers and just let that soak in on the side before I started assembling my cakes. I'm using my buttercream recipe, and this is a strawberry compote that I had made. Same method as I did the raspberry filling. If you haven't watched my raspberry filling yet, I will put the link to that video at the end of this video. And I'm just putting the thinnest layer of frosting onto my cake. And as you can see, I am pushing out my buttercream so that I get a buttercream wall on the edge of my cake so that my strawberry filling does not spill out. I'm also using a small amount of my strawberry filling as well, just because I think a little goes a long way with this summer or spring cake. I did get a little bit of spillage on the sides right there, but it's okay if it shows. If it doesn't, that's great. And with this cake, I just decided to do a thin layer of crumb coat onto it. I'm keeping this cake as simple as possible. I just think a cake like this doesn't need a lot. It's going to taste amazing anyways. All the items that I use are on my channel. So if you haven't watched any of my recipes for my vanilla or buttercream, make sure you click on over and watch those as well. Scraping off excess buttercream off the sides of my cake and adding it to the top just to get a flat surface. I'm cleaning off the top of my cake again, making sure that my top is nice and even and straight. And then going back one final time with my cake scraper and just scraping off any excess frosting. And once I'm happy with the sides of my cake, I will go back in and scrape off the top and then do a little swirl just for some texture on my cake. Since I'm keeping it simple, I guess they would call this a naked cake since it's nothing but a crumb coat. I chopped up some strawberries and just placed that on top of my cake for some decorations, and also some half strawberries. And then I thought this cake was missing something, so I just used some of my leftover frosting and just piped on little stars onto my cake. And I'm just piping along where I feel like it needs some extra texture onto it. Pretty simple so far, keeping it light. This is this year's version of my strawberry and cream vanilla cake. I used 8-inch cake rounds today, if I haven't mentioned that yet. Alright, so the fun part, let's cut into the cake. I always love watching my cake slices come out of the cake. I think that is such a fun part. And this is what the inside of my cake looks like. If you give this a try, let me know. And if you've made it this long into my video, thanks so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, also follow me on Instagram where I will be posting lots and lots of pictures of this cake. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.